Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide someone from quick ad on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide someone from quick ad on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app, and first let's go to the quick ad. And over here guys, you can see if you tap on the person with the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen, there you will find all of your quick ads. Now in order to hide a quick ad, you can see there is the cross or the X icon at the right side of any contacts available over here. So in order to hide that guys, so tap on that cross icon on any of your account, and over here guys you can see this kind of interface will appear, and tap on other reason or give your reason that contact will be hidden from your quick ad on Snapchat. Now in order to view your hidden contacts from the quick ad, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a three dotted icon. Tap on it and you can see there is the hidden from quick ad, and you can see guys there are the personals who will be on the hidden from quick ad section over there. And guys, this is how to hide someone from quick ad on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment on the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.